a bombshell win for accused high country killer Greg Lynn.
Brianna, does this decision mean Greg Lynn is innocent?
No, it doesn't mean that Greg Lynn is innocent. What it means is that in the matter relating to the death of Miss Clay, there will be a new trial.
And so on what grounds has the Victorian Court of Appeal set aside this conviction?
They've said that there was a substantial risk that there was a miscarriage of justice in the original trial. They've been very articulate in terms of outlining actually in great detail the reasons that they're using to support that. And what they're really turning to here are three main things. The first thing being the prosecution case, the way that it was run, particularly in the cross-examination of Mr. Lynn, and then in their closing that they breached a number of rules of evidence that led the jury down an unsafe path. And then they also made mention of the fact that the defence ought to have considered seeking a mistrial direction during that initial trial. So 2 errors by the prosecution and potentially 1 by the defence. What they did rely on, however, were mainly the grounds that related to the way that the prosecution case was run.